सारे व्यूवर्स को आप क्या बताना चाहोगे कि किस तरीके से आप प्रैक्टिस करती हो?
मैं घर पे प्रैक्टिस करती हूँ तो मैं अपने नोटबुक्स यूज करती हूँ,
Okay.
अपने नोट्स यूज करती हूँ।
Okay.
और फिर सर ने कुछ सीट्स प्रोवाइड कराई हैं,
Okay.
उससे पढ़ते हैं।
According to your point of view, what topic is important or not important?
Yeah, of course it is.
How is that important?
By one.
Do you really understand your mother and father?
Yeah, I really understand my mother.
Who is best, your mother or father?
I love my father most.
Okay.
So
लास्ट क्वेश्चन, क्योंकि जो व्यूअर्स हैं वो आपको प्रॉपरली देख रहे हैं और वो ये जानना चाहते हैं आप जब भी अकेले होते हो, राइट, तो उसमें उस टाइम आपके माइंड में ट्रांसलेशन चलता है या बहुत सारे वर्ड्स चलते हैं या आप कैसे नर्वस कब फील होती हो, कब आप मोटिवेटेड फील होती हो? ये सब कुछ पॉसिबल कैसे हो पाएगा? ये सब कुछ पॉसिबल हो पाएगा, आपके साथ भी हो पाएगा, डेफिनेटली, फॉर श्योर, 101% श्योर। लेकिन आप प्रैक्टिस करोगे बहुत ज्यादा। अगर लोगों को आपको एंटरटेन करना है तो वहां पे मांगता है एंटरटेनमेंट, राइट? इन द सेम वे अगर आपको अंग्रेजी बोलना है तो तीन चीज पे आपको ध्यान देना है, एंड दैट इज स्पीक 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 एंड नथिंग एल्स इज देयर। हेलो एवरीवन, स्वागत है आप सभी लोगों का फिर से एक नए वीडियो में। एंड इन दिस वीडियो वंस अगेन आई एम गोइंग टू प्रैक्टिस विद माय ट्रेनी एंड हर नेम इज नाजिया। शी इज गोइंग टू प्रैक्टिस विद मी एंड शी विल रियली अंडरस्टैंड and she has really the knowledge how to do conversation in English. So Nazia, are you ready to do conversation with me?
yes, I am.
Okay, first I would like to tell you, please see all the viewers because they want to listen your words, because you speak well, you always try to speak and you always try to do something different. So it is my humble request, whenever you just practice and you do conversation with me, it is not a humble request, it is a request. Please try to do conversation with me, because so many viewers are there, they are watching you and they are going to learn so many topics, because all the viewers are maybe beginners and they are just trying to learn English. So नाजिया, बहुत सारे सेंटेंस को मैं प्रैक्टिस करूंगा और व्यूअर्स इस वीडियो के अंदर आप देखिएगा किस तरीके से नाजिया मेरे साथ प्रैक्टिस करती है और मैं इनके सामने कैसे बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस को बोलूंगा और उन सारे क्वेश्चंस का ये जवाब देने वाले। वंस अगेन नाजिया, आर यू रेडी टू डू कन्वर्सेशन विद मी? ओके, मैं सीखता हूँ, मैं कंपेयर करता हूँ, मैं पूछता हूँ, मैं कंटिन्यूअसली पूछता हूँ, ओके, मैं अंडरस्टैंड करता हूँ। डू यू बिलीव इन द गॉड?
Yes, I believe.
डू यू प्रैक्टिस?
Yes, I
Well,
practice.
do you understand this particular topic?
Yeah, I understand this particular
Okay,
topic.
do you speak every day?
Yeah, I speak every day.
Do you write on the board?
Yes, I write on
Do
the
you
board.
really understand?
Yes, I understand.
Do you believe in the God?
Yes, I believe in the God.
Do you practice with me?
Yes, I practice with you.
Do you communicate?
Yes, I communicate.
Do you really understand my thoughts?
Yes, I really understand your thoughts.
Do you आप देखते रहिएगा, मैं बहुत सारे सेंटेंस को मैं बोलते जा रहा हूँ और नाजिया किस तरीके से मेरे साथ प्रैक्टिस करें, एंड दिस प्रैक्टिस will help you and this practice will improve your speaking skill, your English speaking skill. So try to observe carefully. Now next question goes to you, Nazia. मैं open कर चुका हूँ.
I have opened.
Have you closed?
Yes, I closed.
Have you understood?
Yeah, I understood.
Have you understood all the topics?
Yeah, I understood all the topics.
Okay, come with me. Because have you understood this? These all topics.
Yeah, I understood all these topics.
Do you really understand?
Yeah, I really understand.
Do you do conversation?
Yeah, I do conversation.
These days, are you working hard at your home?
No, I'm
Not working
so hard.
Okay. Can you please tell me which topic is going in your computer syllabus? I mean to say
From today.
which topic is going in ADC course?
From today, we start MS Action.
Okay.
First lecture we have today.
Okay. मैं सोचता हूँ,
I think.
मैं केयर करता हूँ,
I care.
मैं देखता हूँ,
I see.
मैं कैमरा फेस करता हूँ,
I face the camera.
मैं अंडरस्टैंड करता हूँ,
I understand.
मैं समझता हूँ,
I think.
मैं क्रिएट करता हूँ,
I create.
मैं एटमॉस्फेयर क्रिएट करता हूँ.
I create the atmosphere.
Did you speak?
Yeah, I speak.
Did you speak on the podium?
Yeah, I speak on the podium.
No, it is not I speak. It is I spoke on
spoke on
it.
the
Did you face all the problems?
Yeah, I
Faced all the problems. Did you speak on the podium exactly?
Yes, I spoke on the podium exactly.
Do you really understand?
Yes, I understand.
Do you understand my topics?
Yeah, I understand your topic.
Do you feel that?
Yes, I feel that.
Do you compare?
Yes, I compare.
Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Do you really understand all the boys and girls in offline classes?
Yeah, I really understand all the boys and girls in offline classes.
Okay, मैं बोला,
I spoke.
मैं बोलने की आदत में हूँ,
I am in the habit of speaking.
मैं कंपेयर करता हूँ,
I compare.
क्या करे क्या ना करे,
What to do.
मैं
what
प्रैक्टिस
not to do.
करता हूँ,
I practice.
मैं समझता हूँ.
I understand.
सारे व्यूवर्स को आप क्या बताना चाहोगे कि किस तरीके से आप प्रैक्टिस करते हैं?
मैं घर पे प्रैक्टिस करती हूँ तो मैं अपने नोटबुक्स यूज करती हूँ,
Okay.
अपने नोट्स यूज करती हूँ।
Okay.
और फिर सर ने कुछ सीट्स प्रोवाइड कराई हैं,
ओके,
उससे पढ़ते हैं और फिर यूट्यूब का हेल्प लेते हैं।
आपका बेस्ट सजेशन क्या रहेगा सारे व्यूवर्स के लिए, क्योंकि वो बहुत मेहनत कर रहे हैं अपने डे टू डे लाइफ में, डेली यूज कर रहे हैं, बहुत सारे सेंटेंस को यूज कर रहे हैं, तो उनके लिए आपका बेस्ट सजेशन क्या रहेगा? बिकॉज यू आर द पर्सन, यू ऑलवेज ट्राई टू स्पीक मोर एंड मोर, यू ऑलवेज ट्राई टू प्रैक्टिस विद मी, नॉट ओनली विद मी, विद ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स हु आर कमिंग इन द ऑफलाइन क्लास. So it is my request, please tell your secret and please give your secret to all the viewers.
First of all, you make your own schedule
Okay,
to study regular,
okay,
and don't mess your
mess with your notes and all the
notes
things.
and all the things.
Yes,
And follow YouTube's your teachers,
Yes.
your notes,
yes.
and practice daily.
आप जब घर पे होते हो तो कैसे प्रैक्टिस करती हो? क्योंकि आपको भी अंग्रेज नहीं मिलते हैं,
Yeah, of
आपको भी फॉरेनर्स नहीं मिलते हैं, आपके पास भी प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए कोई पर्सन नहीं होता, तो उस मोमेंट में आप क्या करती हो?
I use my notes
Okay.
and watch daily videos.
Okay, what
on
type
YouTube.
of videos do you watch every day?
Like speaking
Okay,
and short videos.
Okay.
Bob and Tains.
okay.
Which is,
According to your point of view, verb topic is important or not important?
yeah, of course it is.
How is that important?
Bob is using in sentence.
Okay.
And when we spoke, it is a very important thing
Huh?
that we use in our sentences.
Okay,
And
once again, I'm coming back. Will you speak on the podium exactly?
yes, I will speak on the podium. next
Will you
time.
go to the office?
Yeah, I will.
Do you understand all the topics?
Yeah, I understand all the topics.
Every day, do you improve your personality?
Yes, I improve. I really work hard to improve my personality.
Okay, what do you think? Communication skill is important for you?
Yeah, it is very important.
Okay, can you please tell me whenever you come in the class, how do you practice?
With my so much colleagues,
Okay,
they help me to speak and they understand my words and
Yes.
sentences,
Okay.
which I
Speak
really
every
break.
day. Yes.
And English and Hindi making
yeah,
English
you
and
you
Hindi
you just
seem-
mess with the English
Mess
language
with-
and the
yeah.
Hindi language. Okay,
Mix-
don't worry, it is the process, because so many people they try to speak more and more. So many people they
when
translate.
we start in beginning,
Yes.
when we begin,
Definitely we translate. Okay, have you understood all the topic?
yeah.
Have you been speaking English for 4 hours?
Yeah, I've been speaking English for the 4 hours.
Have you been teaching for 4 hours?
Yeah, I have been teaching for 4 hours.
Okay, did you speak all the topic?
Yeah, I
Spoke.
spoke all the topics.
Okay, will you speak?
Yeah, I will speak.
Will you compare?
Yeah, I
Will you understand?
will understand.
Will you check all the notes?
I will check all the notes.
Will you really understand all the topics one by one?
Yeah, I will understand all the topics one by one.
Do you do public speaking?
Yeah, I do public speaking.
According to your point of view, public speaking is a easy task or it is a tough task?
It is very tough task.
But
It is-
when you practice every day, it becomes absolutely easy,
Easy.
right? Okay. Do you sit on the red chair or on the brown chair?
I sit on the brown chair.
Do you understand my language?
Yeah, I understand.
Do
your
you practice?
Yeah, I practice.
Do you elaborate?
Yeah, I elaborate.
Do you give presentation?
Yeah, I give presentation.
Okay. Do you understand all the topics one by one?
I understand all the topics one by one.
Do you really understand your mother and father?
Yeah, I really understand my mother.
Who is best, your mother or father?
I love my father most.
Okay.
So my father.
I mean, if you compare your mother and father, your father is best. Okay, both are best. They have different care for us, right? Okay. Do you communicate with me?
Yeah, I will complete.
Do you understand all the topics?
Yeah, I understand all the.
Do you complete your notes?
Yes, I complete all the.
Which is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject? English is my favorite subject.
It is just a so-called comment or it is a real comment?
No, it is real.
Okay. Do you understand my language?
Yeah, I understand it.
Do you practice every day?
I practice every day.
Do you really understand all the boys who are reading in your computer classes?
Yeah, I really understand all the boys who are reading in computer classes.
Whenever you go at your home in the evening time, what do you like to eat?
In the evening time,
Yes.
most of the time I eat samosas.
Okay, samosas. It means that your favorite fast food is samosa. Okay, that's very nice. Whenever I go at my home and there is a not good sabji, I don't like to eat that sabji, and I just go near my house and I purchase samosa and I just mix with dal and sabji and I eat that. Right? Okay. Have you ID card?
Yes, I have my own
Okay.
ID card.
Can you please tell me whenever you just come in the class? You practice or you just chill out?
No, I practice. So
Okay.
you see me where
And-
I am.
Okay, right now these days you are working hard towards computer field, towards English language, right? So I mean, how many hours are you spending at your home?
In study, these days I'm spending 1 hour.
ओके सो वीवर्स, आपने देखा किस तरीके से मैंने बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस पूछा नाजिया से, एंड शी इज एबल टू गिव ऑल द आंसर, एंड इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल. And only watching videos, only understanding all the topics, and you think in your mind it is easy to speak. No, it is not easy to speak. It is your responsibility and duty. Practice more and more at your home. Practice more and more on the way. Practice more and more on the roof. Whenever you are free, whenever you are absolutely alone, on that time, try to practice and try to speak more and more. Nazia is the person. When she learns different topics, she goes at home and she opens the notebook and really she understands how to use these all topics one by one. If I'm not wrong, I'm
No,
wrong.
you are right.
Okay. Can you please tell me last question? क्योंकि जो viewers है वो आपको properly देख रहे हैं और वो ये जानना चाहते हैं, आप जब भी अकेले होते हो, right? तो उसमें उस टाइम आपके माइंड में ट्रांसलेशन चलता है
Yeah.
या बहुत सारे वर्ड्स चलते हैं, या आप कैसे नर्वस कब फील होती हो और कब आप मोटिवेटेड फील होती हो?
When I see lots of people in front of me, I get nervous.
Okay.
And when I am alone, I talk to myself.
Okay.
And I'm making sentence in my mind.
Okay.
And on my roof, I feel confident.
Yes, because you practice
there is
there
no one on my roof
to see you.
So I behave
There is
fine.
no one to see your errors. There is no one to see your mistakes. These all things nobody sees on that time. So you feel confident. Okay,
Yeah.
that's where. And when you feel motivated.
Um, Whenever I feel motivated.
Yes.
Um,
When you feel motivated.
the time when I just someone is standing behind me
Okay.
who is supporting me. That time I feel confident.
Okay.
And he's pushing me and force me to
To do something new
something
and
new.
something.
Yeah, learn something new.
Okay, that's very nice. बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस मैंने पूछा, नाज़िया ने उन सारे क्वेश्चंस का जवाब दिया एक एक करके. ये सब कुछ पॉसिबल कैसे हो पाएगा? ये सब कुछ पॉसिबल हो पाएगा, आपके साथ भी हो पाएगा, डेफिनेटली, फॉर श्योर, 101% श्योर. लेकिन आप प्रैक्टिस करोगे बहुत ज्यादा. जैसे मान लीजिए आपने प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट सीखा, तो सिर्फ उसको सीख करके आपने उस पर कई सारे सेंटेंस को आपने बनाया. इतना काम करके अगर आपने छोड़ दिया तो फिर आपकी स्पीकिंग नहीं आएगी. लेकिन आपने प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट समझा, उसको यूज किया, उस पर बहुत सारे सेंटेंस बनाया, एंड देन यू प्रैक्टिस मोर एंड मोर. जब आप उससे बहुत ज्यादा प्रैक्टिस करते हो तब जाकर के वो आपके डे टू डे लाइफ में यूज होता है. और यही फंडा, यही सीक्रेट को यूज करके आज नाज़िया, शी इज एबल टू प्रैक्टिस, शी इज एबल टू स्पीक इंग्लिश, शी इज एबल टू स्पीक इंग्लिश इन फ्रंट ऑफ द पीपल. These all things are absolutely easy and common. All you have to do one thing, and that is practice, practice, practice. जिस तरीके से बॉलीवुड में अगर लोगों को आपको एंटरटेन करना है तो वहां पे मांगता है entertainment, right? In the same way, अगर आपको अंग्रेजी बोलना है तो 3 चीज पे आपको ध्यान देना है, and that is speak, and nothing else is there. Till then, keep practicing as much as you can, and I always say, if you want to speak English fluently, do only one thing, and that is stop wishing and start speaking. Thank you so much, everybody.